Ansel Adams, born on February 20, 1902, in San Francisco, was a pivotal figure in American photography. Renowned for his breathtaking black-and-white images of the American West, Adams co-founded Group F64, promoting sharp focus and deep depth of field. His masterpieces, such as Moonrise, Hernandez, New Mexico, and Clearing Winter Storm, exemplify his mastery of light and composition. Adams faced challenges, including the Great Depression and environmental crises, yet his dedication to conservation influenced the national parks movement. His legacy endures through his iconic quote, "You don't take a photograph, you make it," inspiring photographers and nature lovers alike.